Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, November the 24th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and we have also a medium Sudoku. Not so good news today because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. No additional. Let me show you. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. The yesterday's edition of Thursday, November the 23rd. Yeah. So Black Friday today. Yeah. Black Friday. So we have Black Friday today, yes. Yeah, in the yesterday's newspaper, this is the yesterday's newspaper. We have 3 puzzles left. A letter Sudoku, 0-star Sudoku here. Thursday, November the 25th. And we have a Jigsaw Sudoku. These 3 puzzles I will do in the evening. And told you the news of the day. Well, it's Black Friday, but this is not good for the environment. Yeah, it's it's a disaster for the climate. Yeah, so don't buy too much, consume too much. Anyway, all right, Black Friday. Medium Sudoku number 75001. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 1-star Sudoku has 27, so 2 digits more. So it should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 40 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 1 and 6. Okay. 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Here we have 1, there we have 1. That means in this column, the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the third row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, then let me see. How about 7? Come on. No 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be here. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6. Should be there. 6, 6. Okay. Need a 6. Yeah, okay. Then 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next though. Only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 3, 5, 9, 5, 5, 3. Come on. 3, 5. 3, 5, and 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Here also 3 and 5. Let me drink something. Yeah. Okay. 3, 5, and need a 9 here. Here also 3, 5. 3, 5, and then 3, 5, 9, and then 2. Need a 2 here. Need 2 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in this box. Here 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Okay. Then 2, 9. Need an 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Come on. What's happening? 3, 5, 9. I'm thinking 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. And I need a... Come on. 3, 5. No 9 here. Interesting. 3. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 8. 8 should be in one of these 2 boxes here. Yeah. In this row, we need an 8. 4 missing numbers. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there. We see another 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places left at 8. Could be here, could be there. Need a 9, need a 7. Well, we have a 7 in this column, second column, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And I need a 9 here. 9 could be everywhere. 4, 9. 4, 9, 1, and the 3. 4, 9, 1, and the 3. 1, 4, 9, and the 3. 9, 4, 1, and the 3. Well, come on, come on, come on. Here can be an 8. Could be an 8 there. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, I think the 8 should be here. 8 in, 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left with 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. I need 8 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left with 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square should be there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9 cannot fill this. 3 and a 9. So 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2, where's the 2? No 2 here. Well, 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, 2 is missing. And 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 and 9, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 7, 3, okay. We have all the 2s, 1 and the 6. 9 here. So, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. And 4 is missing. No, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. This can't be a 7 anymore. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 7 here. 7. Yeah, 7 in the first row. 7 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Over there, we have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe, the 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. there, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, so 1 box left in this column for the 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the last row, in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 and the 4, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 30 minutes, so I'm not pleased with the time. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.